Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off spooky notification from Discord application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my Discord application on my PC, and as we know guys that Discord has just launched spooky notification for the Halloween event, and maybe some of you are getting annoyed by this notification. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the notification. Okay, first of all guys, you can go to the Discord setting, and then you're going to go to the notification setting. It's right here, and scroll down, and then here you will see event sound pack, and as you can see I have Halloween right here, Halloween sound. And if you want to get back the Discord default notification, we can choose this one, and after that the Halloween sound or Halloween notification or the spooky notification will be turned off. Okay, and if you want to activate it, just select the Halloween again. And okay guys, that's how we can turn off the spooky notification from Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.